Hello, I'm Shuhada Rosie from Balik Pulau Polytechnic. We hail from Penang Island, which located at the northern part of the Peninsula Malaysia. Our institution is one of the Technical Vocational Education and Training (TVET), which offering diploma in IT. We definitely need to ensure our students are equipped with required knowledge and skill by the industries right after graduated. In the 21st century, job markets are highly competitive. Industries, especially multinational corporation companies, MNC, definitely require highly competent candidates to be hired in order to remain their competitive advantage. Lack of industrial experience and exposure facing by recent college graduates nowadays are among the key reasons that need to be addressed by the education institution in general. How can we do more with less? Is there any approach to let our students experience the working environment in the classroom? These questions are the driving factors for the effort in figuring out how to bring the industrial exposure to students in the classroom. And today, we are going to share our success story in experimenting industrial experience exposure in TVET learning and teaching in classroom, which include lecture, lab, and tutorial session. This experiment has been tested out in 2 semesters with total 6 classes for 2 different subjects, which is human-computer interactions for diploma in programming, while system analysis and design subject for diploma in networking. In total, there are 170 students are involved. In this Great Place to Learn Balik Pulau model, there are 5 important steps are identified. The first step is getting to know the related industries. The second step is assign accountability, followed by share expectation as the third step. The fourth step is play fun game. And the last step is give rewards. Let's go into details for each of the steps. In the step 1, students are introduced with related industries based on related topics during lecture session. For example, some of the main MNC companies from different fields. It derives from electronic contractor manufacturer such as Foxconn, smartphone companies such as Apple and Samsung, to the technology companies specializing in internet-related services and products such as cloud computing, which is Google, as well as Walmart and Tesco, the retail chain hypermarket worldwide. All these exposure are retrieved from YouTube videos for education purposes. Normally, it been played at the beginning of the class as a starter, as well as during micro break. At the same time, proper explanation such as how the videos relate to the students and their current lecture or classroom topics will help to increase their understanding on how they come into the picture and get engaged with the industry after viewing the videos. Next, in the step 2, which is assign accountability, students are divided into groups with minimum of 4 members. Students need to kick off their company with company's name as well as assign the position role for each of the members. Since these experiments are done to IT students, each of the members need to identify their role in IT-related position such as project manager, system analyst, application developer, software engineers, network engineers, client support, and many other roles are available depends on the number of group members. Each of the students is addressed by their role name till end of the semester. The main purpose of this role assigned is to familiarize our students with the job roles in workplace. After that, in step 3, share expectations, students are required to work as a team. All the group discussion, presentations, and group assessment are done based on company's name set up by each of the student group. From this step, we are able to observe student acceptance in group activities. And we also share with the students on the importance to contribute as a team members in respective group to add value to the whole respective companies. From this approach as well, we are able to build up student interpersonal skills and soft skills such as improve students' communication and presentation skill, how to negotiate, how to convince and persuade other group members to buy the ideas given. From the observation, there are significant improvement in overall student interpersonal skills and soft skills from beginning of the semester to the middle of the semester. In the second last step, which is step 4, play fun game. For this experiment, folded paper frisbees game was introduced. Based on the pictorial step-by-step as the guideline, each group members of the company were given a chance to experience setting up a team strategy to play the game. How to position each of the group members at each frisbee's operation based on the respective skill and strength required. How to minimize the risk of unassembled frisbee waste, how to fail to complete the given task along with the multitasking field assignment given in short period time, which tasks need to be prioritized first, how to absorb the pressure, how to maintain self-composure and control the anger. While the team was making a factory assembly line of producing paper frisbees, as much as they can with high quality control and assurance, there are few requests by the lecturers to provide tasks such as identify cause and effect diagram based on the specific application development scenarios, sketch system design such as context diagram, data flow diagram, test plan, system design, and many other possible requests based on IT roles assigned to each of the group members. This game is tied in to the expectation of responsibility and accountability in the industrial workplace. Bottom line, above all the challenges, the team need to deliver the result timely. The last step of this model, in step 5, which is give rewards, in order to keep the momentum running until the end of the semester, celebrating small wins is one of the motivation approach applied. Small wins such as a pat on the back for the good job done, share the best group performance feedback with the rest of the class as a role model best practice, small token to encourage high quality questions and opinion sharing by students when involved with external visitors or speakers from industries are some of the concepts applied. By providing fundamentals to students regarding small portion of industrial workplace requirement and experience while in the classroom based on the 5 important steps, it helped to open up student mind and broaden their perspective of viewing things at the same time. It able to relate theory with application in TVET. From this exposure, students start to build up their preference regarding which IT role that suit them the most, based on their strengths and weaknesses. What are their shortlisted companies for industrial internship? Should I join the educational visit at industry? What are the questions I need to ask in industrial visiting lecturers program? Will I sacrifice my semester break to volunteer, join the work-based learning program with industry versus the value obtained and many other positive possibilities? In my first 3 months when I just joined Polytechnic Balik Pulau, I can see actually our students, they have potential in them. It's just that they do not have a proper guideline, or they do not know where should they go by learning this. Or others are sharing the slideshare.com so that we share with our students, and this is the best practice and this is the good example they can follow. It's nothing wrong if you are copying or whatsoever, but copying in a proper way.
I think I've learned a lot. First, the importance of teamwork. Then, it triggered me the need to easily adapt and interact with the new environment, be more flexible. Besides, we learn how to multitask, even many tasks assigned at a time based on priority call.
These are the perspectives that worth exploring. At the same time, students able to explore beyond their possibilities when get exposed in the right way. All in all, the 5 steps of Great Place to Learn Balik Pulau model approach also can be applied in other areas other than IT education, especially in engineering, business project management, leadership and teamwork training, and operations management. It can be improvised to suit the desired objective. That's all from us. Thank you.